What if I told you there are perennials that keep blooming longer than summer itself? While most flowers fade by July, these beauties keep pushing out color right until the first frost. So, if you're tired of dull August gardens, stick around, because I've got 10 unstoppable bloomers that never give up. Let's start with a garden classic, Echinacea, or coneflower. These sturdy perennials thrive in full sun and poor soil, yet reward you with daisy-like blooms from early summer to late fall. Pollinators love them, especially butterflies and bees. Deadhead spent flowers for even more blooms, or leave them to feed goldfinches in autumn. Either way, they're pure low-maintenance magic. If sunshine could turn into petals, it would look like coreopsis. These cheerful yellow and pink varieties bloom nonstop for months, often until frost. They're drought-tolerant, compact, and perfect for containers or borders. Even better, the more you cut them for bouquets, the more they bloom back. Truly, the gift that keeps on giving. Gora dances through the garden like floating butterflies. Its delicate pink and white flowers sway on tall stems from early summer all the way to fall. Once it starts blooming, it rarely stops, especially if you give it full sun and well-drained soil. It's airy, graceful, and perfect for filling gaps between larger plants. Meet catmint, the laid-back cousin of lavender. It blooms early in summer, and if you shear it back after the first flush, it will bloom again and again until frost. The soft purple haze pairs beautifully with roses, coneflowers, and daisies. Plus, it's deer-resistant and drought-tolerant, basically the definition of effortless charm. You can't talk about long bloomers without black-eyed Susans. These golden powerhouses flower from midsummer through early fall, shrugging off heat and humidity. They're tough as nails, and their deep black centers create a stunning contrast in any sunny border. A true symbol of late summer resilience. This salvia species might just be the ultimate rebloomer. After each wave of violet blooms, trim the stems, and you'll get another round and another. It's compact, neat, and adored by pollinators. Plus, its fragrance keeps deer and rabbits away, so you can plant it worry-free. Daylilies are the dependable stars of summer. Each flower lasts only a day, but new buds open daily for weeks, or even months. There are endless colors to choose from, and many modern varieties rebloom several times per season. A true set-it-and-forget-it perennial. Slender spikes of Veronica bring vertical interest and color that lasts all summer. Once the first bloom fades, shear them lightly for a second round. They love sun, don't mind a bit of neglect, and pair beautifully with daisies or salvias for a classic cottage look. Gaillardia, or blanket flower, doesn't just bloom long, it thrives in heat and poor soil. From June to frost, its fiery red and gold flowers brighten any space. Cut it back mid-season for a fresh flush of blooms. It's a true low-maintenance, high-reward plant for sunny spots. Finally, Shasta Daisy, the picture of summer simplicity. These cheerful white flowers keep blooming from early summer through fall if you deadhead regularly. They love full sun, attract pollinators, and give that timeless cottage garden vibe. A perfect finale for our list of long bloomers. So there you have it, 10 perennials that don't know when to quit blooming. Which one's already in your garden, or which are you planning to try this year? Tell me in the comments. And if you found this list helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow gardeners. See you next time, and may your garden stay colorful all the way to frost.